If you enjoy the benefits of Simply Shades on your RV, but would like to update your standard black or white canopies to another Carefree fabric, perhaps one that matches your patio awning, this video shows you how. To replace your old Simply Shade fabric, you will need two people. First, open the awning completely and attach the strap to the catch to keep the awning open. Remove the two screws that hold the fabric in the awning rail. Keep these screws, as you will be replacing them. Twist the roller tube until the fabric slot lines up with the slots in the head. When lined up, the second person needs to firmly hold the roller tube in position so that it does not rotate. Using rubber gloves will help provide a solid grip. The roller tube must be held in this position until the new fabric has been installed in order to maintain the spring's tension. Now slide the old canopy out of the roller tube and the awning rail. Then slide the new premium canopy into the awning rail and the roller tube, making sure the large plastic poly rod in the edge of the canopy goes into the awning rail, while the valance goes into the roller tube. If installing a canopy with Uniguard, slide the soft connect into the awning rail while simultaneously sliding the canopy into the roller tube. Now center the canopy in the roller tube and allow the awning to slowly close to make sure the fabric is rolling up straight. If the fabric does not roll straight, pull the awning open and readjust the fabric position in the roller tube as necessary. Check again that it is straight by rolling it up slowly. If straight, secure the fabric in the awning with the two retaining screws removed earlier in the process. The screws must go through the awning rail, the fabric, and the poly rod. You're done! Now enjoy your window awnings with your new fabric. To see more Carefree products, visit www.carefreeofcolorado.com.